In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix vertical scrolling or rolling end credits text. If you've ever tried to create movie-style credits only to have the text jump, stutter, or move at an odd speed, this walkthrough will help you clean that up and get a smooth, professional-looking scroll. First, open your video editing project and locate the sequence or timeline where your end credits live. Make sure you're working on the main sequence you'll export, not a temporary test sequence. Find the text layer that contains your credit roll. This might be a dedicated scrolling text effect, a title template, or a long text box you've animated. Select that text layer so you can see its properties. Now, look for the settings that control how the text moves vertically. In many editors, this is done with keyframes on the position parameter, or through a built-in roll or scroll option. If you're using keyframes, zoom into your timeline so you can see them clearly. You want to find the first keyframe, where the credits start off-screen at the bottom, and the last keyframe, where the credits finish off-screen at the top. Check that the motion between these 2 points is linear and steady. If your software allows it, change the keyframe interpolation to linear rather than ease in or ease out. Easing can look nice for some animations, but for long rolling credits, it often causes visible slowing or speeding, which feels like stutter. By keeping it linear, the text will move at a consistent speed from start to finish. Next, verify the duration of the roll. If the credits move too fast, simply spread the keyframes farther apart on the timeline to slow them down. If they're crawling too slowly, move the keyframes closer together. As a rule of thumb, read through the credits at a comfortable pace yourself, and match the timing so a viewer can read everything without rushing. It also helps to check your sequence frame rate. If your project is set to an unusual or very low frame rate, the scroll can appear choppy. A standard frame rate like 24, 25, or 30 frames per second generally produces smoother motion. Make sure your credits were animated in a sequence that matches the rest of your project. Finally, preview the credits in real time. Play them back from a few seconds before they start until after they clear the screen. If playback is lagging, render that section so you can see the true motion. Tweak the position keyframes and duration until the roll looks clean, even, and easy to read. Once you're happy with it, you're ready to export your video with smooth, professional end credits.